everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. Today I'm going to be doing a swatch and palette review of the Autumn Leaves palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics, which is this orange palette over here. This is a 12 shade shimmer palette of just duochromes. I was very excited when I saw this, and that's why I decided to buy it. So if you're new here, I just want to say welcome to this channel. Remember to subscribe and to like and to drop a comment so that I know that you're here. And for everyone else who's been following me for some time, thank you for your support. I hope that you like this look that I've done for you today. And we are going to open it and see what this looks like. And as you can see, the palette has a plain design, and we're just going to open it and take a look inside at the beautiful colors, because as you all know, this is a duochrome palette. It is very unique, and for the price I thought it was really worth it. And the palette has an inside mirror over here with some plastic that you can take off, but these are the colors, and they are duochromes, which means that they should be changing colors when I use them and when I swatch them as well. So I'm definitely excited to put these on my arm and see what they look like. Alright, so let's go in with the first three shades. I'm going to be taking Harvest, Crisp, and Cinnamon over here, and I'm going to be swatching these beautiful colors. So this is Harvest over here, as you can see. This is Crisp, and this over here is Cinnamon. I'm going in next with Amber, Pine, and Autumn. So these are the shades that you can see. They look pretty beautiful when I can see them here. And yeah, let's swatch that. So this is Amber over here, beautiful. This is Pine, and this is Autumn right over here. So far this is what the shades are looking like. Beautiful shimmers. And now we're going in for Apple Cider, which is this gorgeous orange. I love that color. Breeze and Golden. Oh my goodness, this is just, I love this color. I think I have fallen in love with that color. And another stunning shade. I definitely do not have these colors in my collection, so I'm very happy about this. And Golden. And now let's go in for the last three shades. I'm going in for Maple. I'm very excited to see what this looks like. Plum and Cozy. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my fingers. These are all the colors. So I can't really see the duochrome shifts very well in my bedroom, so I'm going to go outside and take a look. As you can see, this is what it looks like in sunlight and in shade. I can see more of a duochrome change in the colors when I actually am standing in natural lighting, and these shades look absolutely gorgeous. Now we're going to start creating our look. Because Autumn Leaves is a shimmer palette, I decided to dip into my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette, and I applied yellow onto the inner corners of my eyes. After that, I took the shade Mango, and I'm using a big blending brush, and I'm just going to the crease and I'm blending that in as much as I can with yellow to give it a little bit more depth. After that, I took Blaze, which is a very beautiful bright red, and I put that near the outer corners of my eyes, also filling up my crease. I thought that this would give a nice contrast. This is what my eyes look like. Then I went in with my P. Louise Acid Rain paint in blank canvas, using a smaller brush in order to achieve the shape I wanted. Over here, it's best to take as much time as required to get the shape. After that, I dipped into my very first shade, which was Amber, a stunning green, very bright lime green almost. And it was just so pretty. I think it even had a little bit of gold in that. And then after that, I went for Breeze, which is a beautiful blue. I really like this color, and while it may not seem like an autumn color, you do have the sky in your background, and I just really loved adding that in. It was really pretty, and I was using a eyeshadow brush for this. Then I went in with Maple, which was the most stunning red shade I've seen in a very long time in palettes. I actually don't have this shade, and I blended that in with Breeze, and that's why you can see a little bit of purple on my eyes. And I also went in with Apple Cider, which was just a gorgeous rust orange. I just loved this color. It was so beautiful, and I really loved blending that in with Amber. It was so pretty. I then went over again with my Be Perfect to blend it out, added some eyeliner, and I also used Harvest, which was another shade for the highlighter. After that, I added some of Plum under my eyes just to make them a bit brighter. And this is the final look, as you can see. This is the gorgeous, stunning Autumn Leaves palette, and you know, it's beautiful, and I used 6 of these shades on my eyes today. It was very easy to work with, obviously, because they're shimmer shades. So as you can see, this is, you know, yeah, I'm just doing this so that you can kind of see for yourself, like, if the colors are actually changing for you. In the natural lighting, I didn't really see obvious changes, so I went outside and I did see subtle duochrome changes, especially for autumn. In the video, I can see that as well. And I also swatched in direct sunlight to just see how different the shades look. As you can see, they do look quite different from what they actually look like inside. So I do think that these are, you know, beautiful colors as shades on their own. I thought it was actually a very beautiful palette. It definitely complements, you know, other palettes that I have, like the Be Perfect Cosmetics one, which I used to, you know, create this look as well. And that's because I love shimmers, so I'm fine with that. I loved the red shade on this palette. It was called Maple, and it was absolutely gorgeous. I want to play around more with this, so you will be seeing more looks using this particular palette. Hope that, you know, this review has been helpful. If you were thinking about getting the Autumn Leaves palette, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you got the palette, feel free to let me know if you actually saw the duochrome shifts, or what lighting you used to see the shifts. So I will see you for my next video. Until then, have a lovely week.